Hello from Slovenia again. I just scraped this paint from the table in the cup and pour it for my background, and I will do a dripping kind of pour, not a dripping. I just install this straw. I have a tape that paint will not flow out while I will pour in my colors, and I will try to kind of travel around with that cup. So I will pour some black on the bottom, and let's add this metallic purple. I just have some paints that I will use up, so it's a playtime when I do that. Let's add some of this Prussian blue, some white. Do I have some white left? I have. You know, sometimes you just want to play. And I have this iridescent blue-green by Pebeo. And permanent violet, some metallic blue, and some greenish blue. Okie doke, I think that this should do. And I will remove my tape and start playing. I need support my hand a little bit. Maybe you will ask yourself why do this like that. Because the fingerlings and those lines are just so gorgeous with this technique that you use a straw, because the lines are really delicate and crisp, and I just love them. So let's till this out. I definitely don't want to lose that top part there, so have to keep as much as I can. Oop, I hope that I'm not off frame. Okay, yeah. Let's go down. Where is my... Wow. So, see all those really nice looking lines. The black kind of tried to sell or something, I don't know why, but it does. And it's kind of cool because it does. And I can't wait to see this one dry, because she's really cool. I really like it. Maybe some of you don't like those lines and everything, but I do. So cool. I will definitely play more with this straw technique. So here she is dry. It's so hard to capture on camera, but this painting is just gorgeous. This color just glow, and all these beautiful details with black and white, just gorgeous. I know that some of you maybe don't like this linear kind of pattern, but I do. I don't know why. I just like it, and the details are out of this world beautiful. Really love it. And the black kind of looks matte because most of the other colors are metallics, so it's kind of, you know, 3D looking in person, or how can I say? I just love it. So I'm happy with it, and I will definitely play with this straw technique a little more to see what else we can produce. So thanks for being here and see you again on Friday. Bye.